इस्लामाबाद में SDPI के ज़ेरे एहतमाम लीगल इंस्ट्रूमेंट फॉर ट्रांसपेरेंट गवर्नेंस के मौजू पर सेमिनार मुनक्किद किया गया। सेमिनार में मुकर्ररीन ने खिताब करते हुए शफाफ निज़ाम की अहमियत और ज़रूरत पर रोशनी डाली। मुकर्ररीन का कहना था कि करप्शन से पाक निज़ाम ही शफाफ हुकूमत का आला कार हो सकता है।
Here comes another catch. The catch was that the whole system of representation and parliament is based on no taxation without representation idiom you have heard. Here we became innovative and we came up with two new instruments. One is called SRO, Statutory Regulatory Order, because when there was power to levy taxes lies with the parliament. When there was no parliament, we even promulgated our budgets through executive instruments.
मुकर्ररीन का मजीद ये कहना था कि हमें कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह के रहनुमा असूलों से शफाफ तर्ज हुक्मरानी अपनाने की ज़रूरत है।
Now this was public knowledge, should have been public knowledge, because the law had been passed and it had been approved and everything, but he was not willing to disclose even that to us. So there is a resistance to transparency, and so we find that, you know, in order to have good government, governance, people have to be informed, people have to be able to express themselves so that they can participate. And if they're not allowed to express themselves, then of course their participation becomes meaningless, because they're not allowed to say what they really feel. And the courts have to be open, the assembly proceedings have to be open, government has to be open. So this transparency is something which is absolutely important. I will just quote this from the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Right of Information Act, because I think that is actually quite a good act. It says transparency of information is essential to the functioning of democracy, to improve governance, to reduce corruption and for accountability. So transparency is important.
मुकर्ररीन का मजीद ये कहना था कि शफाफियत जमहूरियत से ही मुमकिन है, लेकिन हमारी बदकिस्मती ये है कि पाकिस्तान में जमहूरियत को पनपने नहीं दिया गया। कैमरामैन अहमद खान के साथ शान ज़हरा, रसाई TV, इस्लामाबाद।